Right, we have the Samsung fridge, the double door freezer in the bottom, middle drawer is a fridge. We have the ice maker, water, and we understand there's a common issue with this fridge, that behind this part here, I just took it out. Behind it, it's a lot of ice accumulate, and there's a issue with this fridge, and we have it only for 5 years. So this is the first time we actually open it. You guys can see behind, all the area is frozen. We are melting it for a full day already. And there is a fan here behind, is also frozen. I'm not sure what exactly made this problem, but this is the issue that we are facing now. And the ice at the camera start to stink, and that's why we decided to open it and clean it, let it melt, and then put it back again. But it seems like it's gonna come back if we don't fix the problem, but we don't know exactly what caused the problem. But this is the issue. If you start to hear your fan making noises, that means it's getting ice, and if it happens, you want to melt it. Otherwise, that's what's going to happen after a few months. And all this back here was full of ice, so this is melted right now.